was in a hurry to come into the fight and he came in with some great energy.
But the height advantage is for Tajikistan player, I guess.
Red is excited. Red is in a hurry to get into the fight. He's in such a urge.
His urge to fight is what makes him special, huh?
So it's Southpaw versus Orthodox. Red, Southpaw and blue. Sorry, red is Orthodox and blue is Southpaw.
This match is going to be interesting match. Both Orthodox and Southpaw fighters going to give us a thrilling match. And the blue is taking the lead and he's throwing some nice jams and uppercuts.
But one thing I'm seeing from Red is he's having some good distance. You can see that he's not... You see how he hits the punch and he loads it back into his guard.
And the way that he assesses those distance between fighters and the way he studies the opponent, I like that. His eyes always on the boxer's movements. He's not throwing just a lot of punches. Oh, that's a nice combination of body shots from Red to Blue.
Blue is looking good as well. He's got some reach. He's got a reach and a height advantage over his opponent, and he's got more volume, throwing more combinations.
But did you notice that the way that Red fighter avoided those punches is really nice?
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
Yeah, the head movement.
The head movement of it is quite nice, and referee wants them to keep your head up. Maybe the height advantage is for Blue, but I think the technical advantage is up to Red. The way he moves, the way he uses his throws is quite nice and fascinating.
Yes. The reach and the height advantage is from Blue, but Red has some great distance, and one thing I did notice is he's having a little bit more explosion in his punches, which is snapping the head back of Blue. And a couple of punches he just caught just a few moments back. He caught Blue with a hook, which snapped his head back.
Both fighters showing some boxing skills. You can see that both fighters maintain their level and maintain distance, and just judging the distance always before throwing a punch. I like that. The style of those boxers showing that the rhythm of those boxers.
Red pulling back from the combinations that Blue throws at him. Couple landing in there.
I guess that Blue has the ring advantage, but he got his scores more than Red in this round. He throws some brutal punches and those reaches Red. But the punches that Red throws, sometimes they don't reach Blue.
Yes. For the beginning of the round, I agree with you. I see that Blue is actually scoring the more points and throwing more combinations, but Red is looking like he's analyzing, and he caught Blue with some good body punches. So let's see. I'm excited to see how.
I agree with you, Asas. He just caught him with some kind of really good body punches. And they are unstable. They are like combinations. I like it. And you are right. Let's see this.
The look on both of their eyes.
The Blue one's eyes, there are a lot of about here.
But Red is so aggressive, He had a little bit of issues listening to the referee as well. The referee had to tell him not once, not twice, 3 times to step back because he's so excited with the fight right now. You can see it in Red's body language.
Did you notice the way he moves those and avoided those punches by head movement? They're really nice head movement, and I just identified them from every player that Kazakhstan players have that movement, body movement, hip movement. They're quite clear, like crystal clear.
And it's the beginning of the second round. And they're starting strong and aggressive. And Blue with his combinations, trying to keep Red behind his reach and his punches. Oh, that was a good punch from Red. Sneaked it in through the pipe.
Red is kind of quickie boxer. he needs to throw a brutal punches, so he needs to come closer to Blue. But the thing with Blue is that Blue did not let the Red to come close. He always maintaining distance by throwing jams, uppercuts, hooks, and everything. The thing with Red boxer is he's a good boxer, but
he got a count though on Blue. You see, he snapped his head back. I told you he has a little advantage with the explosiveness of his punch, and it just took one to get a count, and a count like that takes your scores away. So this could be a 8-10 round because of that count, and Blue is already bleeding with that punch.
Yeah, maybe the height advantage is for Blue, but the power of the Red's punches is quite nice, huh?
I don't say box. Please, listen to me.
Referee wants both of them to box more than just cringe each other.
You see that? Did you see that? How Red was just trying to fake him to come into a punch.
Yes, he maintained a good pose and good pace, as you mentioned. His body shots and the power of his throws. You are right.
He got another count in. Wow, you know, these two are really good elite fighters. You could see by the way they fight and their body language. They're really good elite fighters here. Oh, that's another good cross coming in, and Red switches southpaw. Wow, that's some good skill for a fighter.
No low blue, huh? No low blue.
Wow, Red is showing some great skill, Rodrigo.
Yeah, yes, I agree with you that southpaw boxer suddenly changed into the orthodox, huh?
No, he's an orthodox fighter and he just changed to southpaw at that moment. I didn't expect that from Red.
The Red boxer maintains his strength also with his style. Just look the way that he boxes, the same as the first round. The way he trying to reach the body shots and the uppercuts, everything was on the crystal clear movement.
Blue is bleeding, you know, and I feel like his pace is reducing. Oh, it's another time. I think it's because he's bleeding.
If Blues take another count, I think the winner is Red.
Yes, I think if Red gets one more count in, they would give the fight in.
Maybe he will, man. I think the Red will get another.
Keep your head up.
Yeah, he looks like he's an exciting fighter and he's looking to close the show.
His desire, he's a blood seeker boxer. You can see that. His bouncing style, everything.
Did you see that punch? Rodrigo just snapped his head back from the punch from Red. And he keeps busting Red's nose. Ah, that's another count. Is that? No, it's not a count. My mistake there.
It's a bleeding issue, I think. The thing I like in Red boxer, he's a silent murderer, like you can see. Just look the way he come close and just.
Oh, the body language. Did you see that he just looked at his opponent and walked away to the corner?
That's like Tyson on match, huh?
Yeah, he has some character in his system. The tough guy. He's only 18 years old. Great defense from Red, as you can see, and those body punches in. He's showing some great understanding of the sport. Look at that head movement. As you said, Rodrigo, before.
Those movements are clear, man. That is why that Blue is trying so hard to try to reach. But Red is moving. And didn't give any chance.
But actually, Rodrigo, Blue is also such a good fighter, you know?
Yes, I agree with you. He's a definitely good fighter because he gave a good fight to boxer, Red boxer.
Blue, dry this face.
He's got all his basics in his footwork, his combinations. He has everything in, but I think Red is showing to prove that he's on another level. We're excited to see the third and final round. Let's see what happens. Will Red get the stoppage or will it go to decision?
Red takes the lead and he throws a powerful jam right into the Blues. And Blue is also coming close and he's throwing some kind of nice brutal punches.
Back, Eric. Come here. Back.
I think that was a slip from Red.
Head up, Red. Head up.
The thing I see sometimes that Blue is just not keeping his guard up. But Red is always keeping his guard and ow, that's a nice body shot from Blue to Red. Nice uppercut.
Yes. Yes, you're right. Oh, that's a hard body shot from Red to Blue.
Please, no low blow.
But he
Back.
wants him, the ref wants Red for low blow. And like you said, yes, Red, even if his lead hand is down, he keeps his chin under his shoulder, if you see.
Stop
Oh, what great, but that's another count. What a great arsenal of combinations by Red. I think
5,
it's the end.
6,
He could give him another chance.
8, time. Doctor.
Oh, he does. He gives him one more count because officially it's 4 counts. And after the 4th count, the referee will stop the fight.
Okay.
So the fighter is looking like he wants to fight. So
Maybe if the Blue is skillful, he can be knocked down the Red. If he can throw the right jump, he can be do it.
but Rodrigo Red is looking hungry and he's looking like he's on fire right now.
Holding.
Yeah, Sas, I agree with you. The way that Red Boxer coming close to him and the movement, everything was on the book and he did not let that any punch come close to him. That's the best of him. The way he trying to reach the body and the uppercuts and the hooks, everything is quite nice. Wow, that's a nice uppercut from Red
Yes.
to Blue.
Head up, Blue.
Yes, this Red has some great... Oh, it's another stop. Now he wants him for open glove, but Red, even when he's inside the pocket, he just hits the body and he hits up. He's showing some great understanding and great IQ with the sport. Look at that. Inside the pocket, he's putting the pressure in.
For sure, Yasas, you're right. The way that Red Boxer boxing, he's not always targeting the head. He's also targeting ribs and rams and the chest area, everything. He's just maintaining a good style. I think he's a passionate
That's
boxer.
another one. That's the final count. And that's the end, Rodrigo.
6.
Whether Blue looks like he wants to fight, there's no chance anymore. And it's the end of
That's
the
the
fight.
end of the match.
Wow.
The Red Boxer, quite a good, a great
was a good
boxer
fight.
for all the day.
The winner.
That was a great fight. That was a great bout. 3rd round stoppage from Kazakhstan, stopping his opponent, Blue, who as well is a tough opponent.
There you go. Congratulations, having it.